wish the first snowballs at me too.
Have you? We'll be able to follow his little footprints through. Right there. This way. I don't know. I think I was a little behind him. But we know where he's at. All right. Come here. There he is. Oh, shit. I think we got him. Get a picture of number one. It might be number two, maybe 3, 4, 5. That'd be cool. At least a couple.
Wow, look how deep it is right here.
Sure is. I have seen him over there too. We can cross over.
Yeah. In fact, I was about to do that anyways.
Good jump.
You just had to step.
See anything over this way? Watch out for these briars. That's a briar right there. It might be easier to cut through this way. So that's all briars right there. I just don't want you to get poked. Very good. Well, let's head back on. It's back the other way. We're hiking around for sure.
Yeah.
Bet our footprints are even more covered now.
Yeah.
Sorry, viewers. I know this lens keeps getting covered with snow. Oh, there he goes. Oh, I missed it. Let's walk that way. Did you see him?
I kind of saw like a little footprint.
Let's walk that way. Beautiful.
Look at this log.
It is covered. Good job.
Wow.
Me either. Look, oh man. Ah. Got me on that one.
Look, just take a moment to.
Just a. Ah.
I'm not gonna stop until I get you without.
Oh, you got me for sure. You got my beard.
I never thought it was for help.
Me either. Look, there's that. There's where the mud hole was. Look how
Oh yeah.
it's already filling up on its own. It's beautiful.
Look at. You should take a picture from just up ahead.
Deep breath. All right.
And when I look.
This will be. My face is numb, I believe. All right, it's time, finally. Let's see. Boom. I couldn't show you the recipe because it's a secret recipe. Maybe I'll put it down in the comments or something, but delicious. Delicious. Rabbit. Had a really good time getting it today. Beautiful weather outside. It smells amazing in here. All right, so we're going to have to try it. It's the first time I've tried this recipe. Secret family recipe. Where am I going to go? I'm going to go for a leg here. I'm going to get a little piece. Cooked beautifully. A little dip into that sauce down there. Yeah. Oh, that's good. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. It's hard to beat it. What a great day. You know, we gotta be thankful for the things that we have. I'm so thankful to God for everything. Couldn't do without him. Just gotta give praise where it's due. This is delicious. It's been a catch and cook. Delicious rabbit. So we only got one. It's all right. There'll be more. Until next time.